MBA Crash Course on Investment Banking and Mergers and Acquisitions. Section 1, MBA Crash Course on Investment Banking and Mergers and Acquisitions. Introduction. Welcome to the MBA Crash Course on Investment Banking and Mergers and Acquisitions. In this course, we will explore the fascinating world of investment banking, where financial institutions facilitate capital raising and provide advisory services to corporations and governments. We will also delve into the realm of mergers and acquisitions, M&A, where companies combine forces through acquisitions, mergers, and divestitures. Investment banking. Investment banking plays a vital role in the global economy by helping companies raise capital and navigate complex financial transactions. These institutions act as intermediaries between issuers of securities and investors, facilitating initial public offerings, IPOs, debt offerings, and secondary market transactions. Interesting story: the initial public offering of Alibaba. One notable example that captured the world's attention was the initial public offering of Alibaba Group Holding Limited in 2014. Alibaba, a Chinese multinational conglomerate specializing in e-commerce, raised a staggering $25 billion in its IPO, making it the largest IPO in history at that time. This event showcased the significance of investment banking in enabling companies to access capital markets and fuel their growth. Mergers and acquisitions. Mergers and acquisitions involve the consolidation of companies through various transactions, including acquisitions, mergers, and divestitures. These strategic moves allow companies to expand their market presence, achieve synergies, access new technologies, and drive growth. Interesting story: the acquisition of WhatsApp by Facebook. In 2014, Facebook made headlines with its acquisition of WhatsApp, a popular messaging app. Facebook recognized the potential of WhatsApp's large user base and innovative platform, and acquired the company for $19 billion. This acquisition exemplifies the strategic importance of mergers and acquisitions in gaining a competitive edge and expanding into new markets. Section 2, Top 12 Famous Investment Banking and Mergers and Acquisitions. Goldman Sachs. Known for its expertise in investment banking, securities, and investment management. Involved in numerous high-profile M&A deals, including advising on the acquisition of Time Warner by AT&T. J.P. Morgan Chase & Company. One of the largest investment banks globally. Notable M&A transactions include its role in the merger of Exxon and Mobil to form ExxonMobil. Morgan Stanley. Known for its M&A advisory services and wealth management. Involved in significant deals such as the acquisition of LinkedIn by Microsoft. Citigroup. Offers a range of investment banking services, including mergers and acquisitions. Played a key role in the acquisition of Anheuser-Busch by InBev, creating the world's largest brewer. Bank of America Merrill Lynch. Offers investment banking, corporate banking, and advisory services. Involved in notable M&A transactions, such as advising on the merger of Pfizer and Allergan. Barclays. Known for its investment banking and wealth management divisions. Participated in high-profile M&A deals, including advising on the acquisition of SABMiller by Anheuser-Busch InBev. Deutsche Bank. Provides a range of investment banking services, including M&A advisory. Involved in significant transactions like the merger of Daimler-Benz and Chrysler. Credit Suisse. Offers investment banking, private banking, and asset management services. Notable M&A deals include advising on the acquisition of Red Hat by IBM. UBS. Provides investment banking, wealth management, and asset management services. Involved in prominent M&A transactions, such as advising on the acquisition of Mannesmann by Vodafone. Rothschild & Company. Renowned for its mergers and acquisitions advisory services. Involved in notable deals like the merger of Lafarge and Holcim to create Lafarge Holcim. Lazard. Specializes in M&A advisory and restructuring services. Played a significant role in transactions such as the merger of Dow Chemical and DuPont. Evercore. Provides independent advisory services for mergers, acquisitions, and restructurings. Involved in high-profile deals like the acquisition of Whole Foods Market by Amazon. These investment banking firms have established their reputation through their involvement in prominent mergers and acquisitions, showcasing their expertise in deal structuring, valuation, due diligence, and strategic advice. Section 3 Summary. The MBA Crash Course on Investment Banking and Mergers and Acquisitions has provided a comprehensive overview of these dynamic fields. We explored the essential role of investment banking in facilitating capital raising and financial transactions, using the example of Alibaba's IPO. We also delved into the strategic significance of mergers and acquisitions, highlighting the Facebook acquisition of WhatsApp. Furthermore, we discussed the top 12 famous investment banking and M&A firms, each renowned for their expertise and involvement in high-profile transactions. These firms have played a crucial role in shaping the business landscape and driving global economic growth. In conclusion, the fields of investment banking and mergers and acquisitions are crucial pillars of the financial industry, facilitating capital flows, driving innovation, and reshaping industries. Through strategic advisory services and deal execution, investment banks and M&A firms play a pivotal role in shaping the future of businesses worldwide. Now, let us dive into the realm of poetry and music to capture the essence of investment banking and mergers and acquisitions. Poem, The Dance of Deals. In the realm of finance, where fortunes sway, investment banking leads the way. With expertise and acumen, they guide. Through IPOs and deals, side by side. Mergers and acquisitions, a strategic embrace. Companies combine, their paths interlace. From Facebook's WhatsApp to ExxonMobil's merge. The dance of deals, a powerful surge. Goldman Sachs, a titan in the field. JP Morgan Chase, its influence revealed. Morgan Stanley, a wealth of knowledge held. Citigroup's reach, where deals are propelled. Barclays, Deutsche Bank, and Credit Suisse. Rothschild, Lazard, each with its unique muse. UBS and Evercore, their expertise profound. In the realm of M&A, their presence renowned. Valuations calculated, synergies explored. Investment bankers, dealmakers adored. Structuring transactions, assessing risks and gains. Navigating complexities, where success remains. In this world of finance, where fortunes soar. Investment banking and M&A, forevermore. Their impact profound, their legacy secure. Shaping industries, their influence pure. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.